This is Frankie McDonald, my own TV station live in Sydney, Nova Scotia. Massive blizzards headed towards Maine on Tuesday, January the 27th, 2015. It's going to bring 30 plus centimeters of snow, especially in Bangor, Maine and Portland, Maine as well. It's going to bring a lot of snow. Winds are going to be very strong. It's going to be zero visibility. It's going to be blowing and drifting snow, which is 6 to 12 plus inches of snow for the state of Maine, including Bangor, Maine and Portland, Maine. Since a low pressure system is going to develop off the east coast of the United States, then a low pressure system is going to intensify and move up the east coast of the United States. That's going to cause blizzard conditions in Portland, Maine, Bangor, Maine, Lewiston, Maine, and the rest of the state of Maine on Tuesday, January 27th, 2015. It's going to bring blizzard conditions, howling winds, blowing and drifting snow, whiteout conditions, and zero visibility. It's going to be very strong winds, blowing and drifting snow for the state of Maine, including Portland, Maine as well. It's going to be an intense snowstorm with blizzard conditions on Tuesday, January 27th, 2015 in Maine. People in Maine, be prepared. If your winter boots ready, if your winter jacket's ready, hats and gloves and scarf and ski pants is ready. Order your pizzas and order your Chinese food. Buy cases of Pepsi, buy cases of Coke. Do your grocery shopping. Don't wait till last minute. Do it right now. Have your iPads charged, have your iPods charged, have your cell phones charged, have your laptops charged, have your tablets charged, have your 3G, 4G ready. When you go outside, don't walk too far. If you don't like the blizzard, don't go outside. Because it's going to be blizzard conditions. When you drive the car, take your time, drive the car. Slow down so you don't get in car accidents. Make sure to have your shovels ready, snow scoops ready, snow blowers ready, snow plows ready, and salt trucks ready as well. Drink lots of green tea, white tea, red tea. Drink lots of green tea to give you warm. Have your furnaces ready and turn on your furnaces to keep the house warm, since it's going to be a massive blizzard for Maine on Tuesday, January 27, 2015. If you have anybody living in Maine, be prepared for a massive blizzard on Tuesday, January 27, 2015. Best luck to you, people in the state of Maine. Be prepared for a massive blizzard on Tuesday. Take care, stay safe. Don't get caught in a massive blizzard. Stay warm, be safe.